After wet fishing, what I do is I take off these reels off from this fishing post. Then first just shower this fishing post and soak these reels in a bucket of water for about an hour. After soaking in water for about an hour, then change the water and soak them again for another just probably 10-15 minutes. Then take them out and dry them. That should be fine. To dry them quicker, you can just put them under the sun for a while.